What? Oh God, I know now. My days are numbered. What can I do now? Instead of fracas after me, let me call them by myself and share my access for them. So each of them will use his own and do what he likes. Let me call them. Okay. Ntochukwu. Ntochukwu.
Yes, Papa.
Come here. Come with your brother.
I don't even know where that one is. Obiora.
Obiora.
Papa is calling you.
Obiora.
Papa, I'm here.
Where's your brother now?
He's coming.
Obiora.
Wait, this man. They chat my name now. Hey, every day they chat person them.
Yeah.
Papa, wait, they call me for.
Now, you can see my days are now running down.
I can see you are going down.
Yes.
You want.
Wait first.
Wait.
You want to die?
What? Child!
I don't want to hear anything fracas after me.
Ah.
That is why I called two of you here. Nto,
Papa.
after me now, or even I give you your share of my wealth, what will be your occupation?
Papa, you know now. You know I be street guy.
What type of
You
plane is
understand?
this?
What I will do with that money is to go and buy sophisticated weapon and enter street. You understand my English?
You be mumu.
Sophisticated weapons. I want to enter street and make money.
For what?
Street money is in the street now. No, na street hustle where they pay.
Who will you kill and get me money?
I will start from you, Papa.
Jesus is Lord!
As of last year, I still alive. I will start from you first, Papa.
Okay.
Yes, I'll make sure you leave.
Stay behind me, please. Obiora, what will be your
Papa?
occupation after you have shared my wealth? Take a share.
Okay, you want to give me my
Child!
my share?
Yes, you are right.
Okay. I want to to be a musician.
Shut up.
A musician. With this your stammering.
Papa, he's my
Sorry,
talent.
So can you sing with this your stammering?
Yeah.
Let me see a sample, please.
Okay. I will sing.
What? Child!
Sing one song for you. And I will use Igbo.
See, Papa, no need to be talking about this one because this one is useless already.
Papa,
give me the money.
Give me a chance, please.
Give me the money. Let me enter street and make more money.
You think say they wise?
Give me a chance.
Now wait now.
What type of
wait
plane
that.
is this?
Papa,
You there? Papa, let me sing this beautiful music now. Yeah. I want to sing. Ma. Ibera.
Papa, see what you give birth to.
Jesus. Hey, can.
So you will sing in this way. Don't you sing it? Let me hear it now.
Yes, I'm singing now.
You are singing.
Okay, Papa. Now let me sing.
He's even calling you Papa instead of Papa.
Another
This
one
your
for
son
you.
is useless. So give me that money.
You know that music that say baby come calm down baby calm down. Papa, wait now. I for you now.
The two of you.
I can see if you give me this. See, anything you want to do, just be fast about it.
Alone.
Be fast about
Leave
it.
me alone.
Leave this
Leave me
one aside.
alone.
I think the chance of what is going to happen happening.
No, come.
Thank you. Papa, see. I want to tell you one thing, Papa.
Papa, come.
Papa. Please, anything you want to do, just be fast about it.
Nah.
Just be fast about it.
Now you cause this.
What type
Look
of
at this
playing,
one.
baby?
Who now you?
Look at you. You are a stupid
now
man.
you-
No.
Nah.
You are very stupid.
Now you cause this.
You are very stupid. See, look at you. What type of musician are you? You are here deceiving yourself. Claiming that you want to be a musician. Go out there and follow your age mate and start pushing wheelbarrow. Papa, you better buy bike for him so that he will start running Okada. This one is useless already.
It's not.
I'm only the useful son you have here.
It's not my talent though.